Most belching or burping is caused by a buildup of pressure inside the stomach from things like H. pylori that create hydrogen gas, and that gas needs to come out. That's what you get lots of burping. Or you have slow transit time or low stomach acid, and what that's happening is food sitting in the stomach and fermenting away, causing more gas. For me, it's two things that cause that for the most part. First is having an H. pylori infection. Second is an overgrowth of yeast. If you don't know where to start, I always start with pielopurge to rule out H. pylori and then move on to the yeast purge, but it is possible that you could have both of those problems at the same time.